Hey, Vanessa.
You're the asshole.
Vanessa, did you let her know very late?
No, I didn't.
No.
No.
It's just a thing.
Dude, that thing's really old. That dish is really old.
I was gonna say the older they are, the more.
Oh, like more so they are to break and see.
That dish was really old. Dustpan?
Broom.
Trina took it.
Can you grab that tub right quick?
That's for big deal, guaranteed. Yeah.
How the fuck did you just catch that?
I don't know. No, that's okay, Mama. Okay.
No, that's not good.
Jasper, that's okay.
Yeah, Malachi, you can wait.
Don't let her in.
Yeah, don't let her in
She'll
yet.
be walking.
Hey guys, so it's the next day. Sorry yesterday's vlog was so short, and excuse me, I just got up. Well, I've been up for a little while, but anyways. Yeah, so sorry yesterday's vlog was just one clip, but I've had a really bad headache yesterday and today. But today's vlog, well, tomorrow's vlog will be a lot better, I promise. So, yeah, in case you don't know what happened, Vanessa had one of those, like, clear casserole dishes on the stove, and it just took and, like, exploded because it was really old. But anyways, so yeah, this is just a little story, but the vlogs will get longer starting tomorrow, and you guys will find out why in tomorrow's vlog, and I'm so excited. So, yeah, you guys will find it tomorrow, that's all I'm gonna say. So the wait has come to an end. Yeah, something big's happening, and I'll see you guys tomorrow where you'll find out. Goodbye.